place always smells like this.
These are the elevators at the furnace parking garage. That one. Look at that custom exterior indicators. Anyways, take it up to 5. Here we go. Five. 2005. Back on the 1. Here we go. Man, this thing drops for a hydro. Here are 1. Send this one up. There it goes. There goes that one. Stick this one up. Any left elevator is broken. We're gonna be getting. The left car is broken. We're gonna be getting this one again. This one's broken. We'll go get our cab view now. Very basic elevator for a parking garage. There are fixtures, HT valve resistant, hands-free ED to my phone. Passenger 500 pounds. Surprised as this loud of a motor, being it's from 05. It's mainly the earlier, like up to 04, they had these loud motors. Ugh, outdoor parking. Clean your elevator. Clean your elevator. Oh boy. Clean your elevator. Anyways, we'll get a view from the top. Right there's the under construction ingot parking. Additional deck. And oh, you can see some of downtown. US Steel Tower, EQT. You can see all those famous skyscrapers. And they have those same indicators up here. Let's see what the stairs looks like. Ooh, wow, nice. Ooh, wow, nice amount of sunlight coming in through the day. Ooh, these have been vandalized. And it's not even working. It lights up, but it doesn't chime. We'll end it down at 2, I guess. Barely lights up. This thing drops. Then again, it is an older Street 30A, so, and they're known to drop. Whoa. Plop leveling. Ooh. There we go. There goes and. That's it.